Tripura hasek kitingino kereng thayo Tiristel Panchayat chomari Naharjagwi tongo Kwchang ni bisingti board najangmani mangpali kasai phaiyaoga Kumarghat Nagar Panchayat ni bising khobja kereng thayo oba haikano Phungdam Simi Simi board najangmani mangpali nainedi Kumarghat Nagar Panchayat antini
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFI University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikeria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikeria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFI University Tripura. Dream big.